Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, viewers. I welcome you all once again to my channel in English. This is about the upcoming 2022 New Year predictions. Right from the first zodiac sign Aries to Pisces, we'll be seeing the predictions for this 2022, a separate videos for each and every zodiac sign. Unlike the previous years, let us hope this 2022 brings you all good fortune, prosperity, happiness, everything. I wish you all a very happy 2022 ahead. Now we will see the planetary positions during the beginning of the 2022 as well as the end of 2022. If you are new to this channel, keep the channel subscribed so that you can get my updates instantly. Also share my videos to your friends and groups. This year 2022, we will be seeing two major transit. One is Rahu Ketu, which is on 12th of April 2022, where Rahu moves from Taurus to Aries. As you all know, Rahu Ketu moves in a backward direction, that is anti-clockwise. So, from 12th onwards till the end of the year, Rahu will be in the Aries, that is the first zodiac sign. So if you consider the 12 months of 2022, the major period of Rahu is based on Aries rather than from Taurus. So in Taurus we will be having the effect of Rahu just for 3 months. Also there will be Jupiter transit. We have already seen about the Jupiter transit recently on November 20th. Now again Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. And stays there for long till this year. So these two major transit which will definitely have a major impact. So Jupiter also in a major portion it will be there on the Pisces, and in Aquarius it will be just for 3 months and 12 days like Rahu Ketu. Considering the effect of Rahu on Taurus and Ketu on Scorpio, again considering the Jupiter's position at the Aquarius, which is very short time of 3 months and 12 days, and the next transit where Rahu moves to Taurus to Aries and be there for almost 8 months, and Ketu moves from Scorpio to Libra and it will be there for almost the similar 8 months. Jupiter again moves to Pisces and be there for 8 months. So considering all these effects, we'll be seeing the predictions for each and every zodiac sign. Now, on the 1st of January 2022, if you see the planetary position, Moon is there on the Jyeshta star of Mercury. So you can see Ketu along with Moon and Mars on Scorpio. On Sagittarius you can see Sun along with Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn as a ruler along with Mercury, and Jupiter is there at the Aquarius and Rahu is there at Taurus. This is the position of the planets during the year 1st of January 2022. And you see on 31st of December 2022, the position, as you see, Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces, and you can see Moon is along with Rahu at Aries, Mars is there at Taurus, and Ketu is there at Libra. And in Sagittarius you can see Sun and Mercury, and in Capricorn Venus is there along with Saturn. So during that period it is Ashwini star, that is star of Ketu. So this is a position at the end of the year. On the beginning of the year, where Moon is seated at the Mercury star and Mercury is along with Saturn, and Saturn being a ruler there, and Saturn is associated with the Mercury, a standalone planet. It gives positive effects to the Saturn. So it gives Saturn a much powerful positive energy. So you can see this year starts in a very positive note. Same way, the end of the year, Venus makes Saturn more positive. So the effects we can see from Saturn during the beginning and the end of the year, Saturn becomes very calm and it is more functionally positive. We can see a lot of changes during this year. Good things can happen. Many job opportunities and Saturn being the ruler at the 10th house and with a very positive note. Rahu being functionally strong at Aries, which is the house of Mars. This year we can expect a lot of changes in the land reforms. Many land reforms will get introduced and a lot of land related problems may creep up, especially due to the landsliding problem, earthquakes. Major natural calamities are based on the land. The land price might increase, so we can expect a slight inclination in the price of land, and there are many regulations also. You can see on Pisces, Jupiter is there, so there are opportunity from foreign countries, and our country can get good revenue out of the trade. As Saturn aspects the Jupiter at Pisces, in certain places there may be a symptom of war. So you can see there may be some disturbances between certain countries which may lead to a small civil war or somewhere. Jupiter aspecting 4th, 6th and 8th houses as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. So the major places which becomes highly strong, we can expect a good investments return during this period. Share market may rise up. There will be good amount of inflow of money. Foreign investments might increase, and it aspects the 6th house. Our country can grow better, win out of certain challenges and lead in certain places. Enmities will get decreased during this time. Lot of foreign investments can happen during this time. Lot of good things can also happen. Many job opportunities help the people unemployed to get employment. There are good employment opportunities. Good regulations in the agriculture side. So some of the positive note which we can expect in 2022. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign the impact of the 2022 based on the planets. Sagittarius, the 9th zodiac sign. For Sagittarius, this 2022, the Jupiter, which is the Lord of Sagittarius, initially is placed at the 3rd house till April. On April, it moves to the 4th house and becomes a ruler there. So, it's a very good opportunity for many of them to buy their own assets from April onwards. So, the rest of the months till 2022, as far as the Jupiter is associated with the 4th house, they have a very good opportunity in buying assets. They can invest in share market and can find good returns during this year. Some of them can buy gold, silver and other ornaments and can sell it in a good margin. Some of them can buy their own house, they can build their own house, they can purchase land, they can purchase vehicles. All these can happen during this year. This is a very good time for them in terms of purchases. For those, their mother's health will get improved during this period. They may have a good cordial relationship with the mother and mother side family. Their children might study well. Those who are up to graduate level, they will show interest in their studies and they perform well during this time. But interestingly, the 2nd house where Saturn is very strong, so far it has been controlled by Jupiter. Now Saturn becomes highly negative planet in the 2nd house. So there will be some confusions in their family life. So very frequently they will have problems with the family members, the husband and wife. A lot of conflict may happen as Saturn is very strong, and it is there in the 2nd house, so they should be very much careful in communicating with others. So especially those who are working with communication as a base, they should be very much careful in dealing with others. So a lot of time they may speak wrongly, and due to which others may hurt. So even they will lose their friends because of their communication. So this particular year they should be very much careful in communicating. They should be very much careful in speaking each and every words. They should think twice before talking to any person. Now Saturn aspecting the 8th house is also there, to an extent it is affected. So you can see this particular year they may be having some problem in facing the loans. They may not in a position to settle the loan. Some of them may need to buy certain amount. So they need to buy loans from the banks. They need to buy money from their friends or other relatives, but they may not in a position to return back the amount. So So they will have some stress during this period. So they should be careful. See, one way they will have a capability to buy some of them can get an opportunity by purchasing land or purchasing vehicle, but at the same time they may tend to get loan from others, but they may not be in a position to repay them back, due to which they will have some conflicts between the friends, between the family members. So they should be very much careful in these areas. Again, if you see the fifth house, Rahu is highly negative planet during this particular year. There will be problems and challenges with the children. The children may not study well. Those who are doing graduate and postgraduate degree, they will be having some tough time during this time. They may not listen to the parents. They may be having some conflicts with the people around. They will not concentrate much on the studies. So they need to give more attention, focus to the children. Children who are doing graduates and postgraduates, they should be very much attentive in their subjects, and they should be very much careful during this year in terms of studies. So they may have some other activities which may disturb them and deviate them from the study. In 11th house, Ketu is associated. So one way Ketu is associated in 11th house is it looks good, but at the same time Saturn aspecting the 11th house seems this 11th house is partially affected. So they may not get the expected revenue this particular year. There may be a dip in the salary, there may be a dip in their income that they get. Those who are doing business, the business will improve, but at the same time may not be able to get the benefits. They may not be able to get the returns in time. So some of them who had invested in share market or any other assets, when they try to sell in this particular year, they may not get the expected value. So there may be a dip in the value also. So it is ideally they can buy and purchase certain assets, like they can buy shares, they can buy gold, but they should keep it. They should keep for another 2-3 years before selling it. So this year is not a right time for them to sell and find a good profit, because 11th house is affected. And you can see that in Jupiter aspecting the 8th house, 10th house and the 12th houses. So these houses seems to be to an extent good. So Jupiter aspecting the 8th house, to an extent it will help them to repay back the money. So as far as their personal horoscope, it sounds good. If they have the proper Mahadasa and Antardasa running during this time, they may be able to repay the loan back and they don't have much problem. But at the same time, if a person's personal horoscope is not very much supportive and the wrong Mahadasa or Antardasa is running currently, this position of planets, that too the Saturn aspecting the 8th house, will definitely impact a lot. So Jupiter aspecting the 10th house, so it's a lot of business opportunities. Those who are working in a company, they'll get more projects, they'll get more opportunities, especially those who are in the teaching line, who are in the schools, they'll have more opportunities. Those who are seeking for job opportunities, the right time they can apply and get a dream job during this period. Those who are working in IT company, they will be having some challenges. Those who are doing the agricultural business, those who are social media, they work like a freelancer, they work in social media, YouTuber, a reasonably profitable time for them. Those who are doing chartered accountancy, cost accountancy work and for different companies, but they should work as a consultant. This business will also do well for them. Accountancy, those who are doing calculative work, those who are doing teaching mathematics, those who are in the calculation, those who are doing calculation as a base in the work. So they may find this particular year more interesting and more challenging also. Those who are working as doctors, those who are working in military forces or army men, they may not find this particular year more suitable. They'll be having some conflicts with the seniors. The doctors may not find sit around during this particular year. They may find some difficulties during this particular year. They will have some challenging days, and especially those surgeons, those who are specialists in that particular area, they may find this particular year more challenging for them. First initial 3 months will be favorable for teachers and lawyers, as the rest of the period seems to be really challenging for them, because the second house being associated with the Saturn, they will have some problem in communicating, and lawyers, they will find certain arguments may not be in favor of them. Teachers, they will have difficulties in communicating during this period. They will have misleading issues with their children. But when you talk about the chartered accountants and cost accountants who are doing the freelancing job, they find this particular year more fruitful for them. They can grow up their business and they can succeed in their life. Salesmen and marketing men in the companies, they should be very much careful in handling this particular year because the communication seems to be not favorable for them. Those who are working in social media platform and try to promote their own business in terms of mobile or telemarketing or secondary markets, they can find this particular year more suitable for them and they can improve a lot. Those who are doing catering business, fashion designing, who are running their bakery shop, canteen, tiffin centers and sweet shop, they find this particular year to an average, so they'll neither get good profit nor get losses. So it will be an average business for them. Women in this particular zodiac sign, they have a very peaceful 2022. They will get the expected things done during this year. If they want to purchase any gold, any silver, they can able to do this in this particular year. Some of them can buy shares or some of them can buy their own assets and they can get a reasonable profit during this year. In terms of marriage, those who are unmarried and seeking for a good alliances, this particular year will be very much favorable for them. They can get settled down in this year. Especially after April, there are a lot of good opportunities for them which help them to settle down in their life. Those who are expecting for childbirth, this particular year is not so favorable for them. They have to spend a lot, they need to find some treatments, they need to go for advanced treatment, then only they can able to succeed in getting the childbirth. So these are some of the difficulties as the fifth house is being affected. So those who are having children, they may not get good support from them. But if the 12th house seems to be really positive, some of them can travel abroad. They can go and stay with their son or their daughters during this year. Those who are studying, they can apply for foreign studies. Those who are working in a company, they can get an opportunity to visit foreign countries and work for a temporary job assignments. They can get a lot of short trips. Some of them can go for pilgrimage tour, they can do some charity, they can travel different places. Some of the positivity can happen for this. When you look at the planetary positions, the zodiac, the 4th house, the 10th house and the 12th house seems to be favorable for them. As the zodiac itself is very strong, as the lord of the zodiac is very much strong in the 4th house, many of them can get rid of their health related issues. And as 4th house is very strong, they can buy assets, they can find reasonable profit in purchasing some assets. Though some of them can buy their own house, they can change their house, they can shift to new house. Some of them can buy new vehicles. All this positivity can happen this particular year. And 10th house being very strong, and some of them can get dream jobs, some of them can change their job from one particular company to another company, some of them can get promoted. Those who are looking for a job opportunities for very long, this particular year they can apply and get a good job also. Especially those who are into the accountancy and IT related jobs, this year there are many opportunities for them to enter into some suitable companies. Those who are working in IT companies, they will find this particular year very much challenging. But those who are into chartered accountancy, cost accountancy, mathematics and other areas, teaching and other areas, to an extent they can survive, they'll enjoy the work this particular year. But at the same time, those who are doing communication as a base like marketing, sales, teaching, lawyers, those people they will find they find this particular year really challenging for them. But you can see the 3rd house, the 6th house, 7th house and the 9th house to an average. So they can do a pretty hard work and succeed in their life. They can win out of their enemies. The marriage life will be very much smooth and good during this year. There will be good understanding between the partners. The business will improve. They'll have a good relationship with the family members as well as the business partners. Business can improve a lot. There will be good relationship with the father and father side family, and there's a extremely good relationship with the mother side family, and some of them can get assets from the mother side also. And health of the mother side family will get improved during this particular year. These are all positivity when we talk about the Sagittarius. But at the same time, the second house, fifth house, eighth house, and the 11th house, these houses are affected. And the second house being strongly affected, and fifth house is also strongly affected. But 11th house and 8th house are partially affected. As in second house, Saturn is very much strong. There may be some confusions in the family life. Communication problems will be there. And fifth house is affected, so they may be having some issues with the children. Children may not study well. There may be conflict with the children. There may be health related issues with the children. Eighth house is again weak, and they may be having some troubles with their assets. Some of them may buy certain assets using loan, but they may not be in a position to repay back, due to which they will suffer a lot. They will end up in stress during this year. 11th house, as Ketu is associated and Saturn is also aspecting this particular house, so they will have some problems in the revenue. They may not get the expected revenue in time, and there may be some losses also. Considering all these effects, all the positions of the planets, for Sagittarius, this 2022 we can expect up to 70% positive results.